Welcome to Module 7. When you sell a single book, you get a single transaction. But when you build an interconnected series ecosystem, you create compounding revenue. A reader who enjoys your first release naturally seeks out the next, turning one initial purchase into a dedicated catalog buyer. In this module, you will learn how to combine behavioral psychology with sales data to turn a standard Amazon KDP account into a highly scalable, long-term asset. We achieve this through 3 specific operational steps: engineering your series architecture, building off-platform funnels, and applying a data-driven scaling protocol. Amazon's search algorithm dictates visibility, but relying on search rankings alone makes your business vulnerable to sudden traffic drops. Creating an enclosed ecosystem allows you to capture reader attention directly, providing a layer of protection against algorithmic shifts. Step 1 is structuring your catalog. You must explicitly number every volume you publish. Putting Volume 1 on a cover acts as a structural promise to the reader that future content exists. This triggers the Zeigarnik effect. The human brain retains information about uncompleted tasks with much higher fidelity than completed ones. An incomplete collection creates mental tension that a person naturally wants to resolve. When you number your books, Volume 1, Volume 2, you create a structural open loop. The reader feels a cognitive debt to finish the sequence. This behavior creates the whale customer. These are high-value collectors who drive the economics of your series by purchasing books 3, 4, and beyond, simply to ensure their set is complete. Effective series architecture provides the resolution to the cognitive debt you've established in the reader's mind. Next, you must enforce the Diderot unity rule. Identical spines, fonts, and trim sizes are mandatory across your entire series to maintain a sense of visual harmony on the shelf. If you change a cover style or trim size mid-series, you create visual friction. The collector's brain registers this mismatch as disorder, destroying their desire to build a matching set. This image illustrates the foundation of professional, consistent series branding by comparing serif and sans serif typefaces. Selecting clear, consistent typography across your covers establishes a cohesive brand identity, which justifies a premium price point of $9.99. To lock this in, navigate to your KDP backend and formally link your individual books into a designated series page. Properly linking your books generates this specific UI. Having a prominent Complete Series button right below your main title reduces the friction of multi-book transactions, allowing a reader to buy the whole set in one click. By enforcing strict visual unity, you teach the Amazon algorithm to treat your catalog as a single, high-value ecosystem rather than a collection of disconnected releases. Now we implement the bridge book strategy. This captures reader data directly from the physical product they hold in their hands. You will use the very last page and the back cover of your book to offer a lead magnet, a valuable bonus designed to get readers onto your email list. You place a custom QR code right at the end of the book. The moment they finish the content, they can instantly scan it to access their digital bonuses. For the call to action, use this exact phrasing: scan here to download 10 bonus pages. Keep it direct and clearly state the value. Building an owned email list gives you direct access to your most engaged readers. When you launch Book 2, you can market it to them instantaneously and for free, bypassing the need for initial Amazon ad spend. Once your series is live, we transition to the KDP Reports dashboard to evaluate the actual financial performance of your catalog. This chart tracks units sold over 30 days. A steady horizontal trend line is ideal, as the algorithm favors reliable daily sales. You must also monitor your advertising cost of sales. Volatile spikes are expensive. Tracking ACoS against consistent sales ensures your series remains profitable. Scaling a publishing business requires objective, data-backed decisions. You cannot rely on emotional attachment to specific book ideas. This brings us to the failure tolerance protocol. If a book flatlines for 2 to 3 months, you must cut its ad spend immediately. Conversely, when you identify a proven niche that shows steady growth, you make the scale decision. You immediately produce books 4, 5, and 6 to dominate that micro-niche. This high-speed, unified production creates aggressive momentum. You rapidly expand your professional brand, locking in shelf space and leaving competitors behind. Your action item is clear. Look at your dashboard, identify your top-performing book right now, and begin planning its immediate expansion into a trilogy. That is how you build a lasting publishing ecosystem.